Like my boys say, Kobe. Kobe. Ain't nobody taking no trash order without no incentive. Ain't no incentive on that order. I need an extra incentive. Where was these orders at a second ago? 6 for 6. No, sir. Soon as they think I'm going home, now they want to send me orders. Like, no, where you think you going? You got more work to do. They're like, no, where you think you going? They is something else, ain't they? They is something else. We almost to Papa John's and Little Caesars. It's gonna be the last stretch right there. See if they send me something good. I appreciate you. Hope Critical. Thanks for stopping by. You're always welcome. I agree. A-Dash, I agree. 100% I agree with you. Be careful, the nice surprise, the stream is still on this late. Yep, I'm doing something a little bit special. Friday Night Live for my peoples. Had to give them a nice little amount of content for the night. Little Sleezers. Oh man, y'all diabolical. $9, 7 miles at Hawaiian Bros. 22% on the acceptance rate. Damn, do I need Rellos? I hope not. I sure hope not. Man, I need to make 200 on Doordash tomorrow. I need 200. What's up, invalid request? You missed the whole live stream, bro. I've been live for 3 hours. Where have you been? Where have you been? Yep, I think that might be it, y'all. We right here by Little Caesars, Papa John's. And I'm probably finna drive right past them. Let me go ahead and turn Grubhub off. Yep, turn that off. Ain't no point in keeping that on. And yep, I'm hitting the dash right now. Boom, it is over. And they talking about some, it's very busy now. And they opened up Earn by Time. I think it's gonna be a peak pay at 11:30. Damn, a $3 peak pay? That's tomorrow. These bastards gonna put on a $3 peak pay tomorrow. That's funny. 11:30 p.m. 10/6. $3 peak pay. Maybe if I take me a nap in the afternoon, I can do some overnight deliveries tomorrow and get some of that $3 peak pay on Earn by Time. Because it'll double to $6, and then I'll be getting $21 an active hour. That might be the play. That might be the play. So look, I appreciate all y'all being here with me for this live stream, this long 3-hour live stream. I really appreciate y'all being here with me. I am hungry, tired, but none of that matters, because the only thing that matters is we dashed for 3 hours together, and I made $26 with Doordash. So you know what that means. Pick up the order,